Assembling your Piston SR mount for your IBEX. If you have a MOLLE panel installed on your IBEX, it's necessary to remove it before Piston SR mount installation. Reinstall the MOLLE panels after the Piston SR mount installation. Lay out the provided parts. Slide 2 T-nuts into both lower T channels and position them in a vertical line, 2 near the rear and 2 near the cab. Attach both mounts using 2 M8 bolts for each mount. Spread the mounts out as much as possible. Tighten all 4 bolts. Retrieve long T-nuts provided with the Piston SR and slide 4 into the T-channel on the bottom of the SR, 2 on each end of the SR. The long nuts will rest in the holes in the mounts. Place the Piston SR on the mounts. Using the 5mm hex key, attach Piston SR to mounts with 2 M8 bolts per mount. Tighten all 4 bolts. When mounting your bike on the Piston SR, the pedal strap is needed to avoid damage to the IBEX or accessories. Position pedals vertically with the pedal facing out in the 6 o'clock position. Wrap the pedal strap around where the pedal is connected to the crank arm and the inner corner of the Piston SR actuator. Secure tightly. Failure to properly secure the pedal strap may result in your pedals moving and causing damage to your IBEX or IBEX accessories. This accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. We've got your rack and your back.